Hello Internet.
Goodbye.
Today we have this ZOTAC 5090 that came in for repair.
Today is a special day.
It's missing a factory sticker, and it has multiple damages across the entire length of the PCIe connector.
Oh my God!
Oftentimes, damages like this spell a total loss of the GPU.
What? That can't be true. But it is.
So let's see if ZOTAC is able to survive that.
Not today!
Before I attempt any repairs, it makes sense to check for resistances in the key areas to make sure we don't have a short anywhere. Followed by measurements of data lines and the PCI Express detection circuit, we have no reading, which is explained by the trace that had been cut.
Why?
Joining the two will not fix the card, as we have detection related problems at the front of the board as well. But let's fix this one first. There. We now have a reading.
Nice.
But that won't be enough to get this card to work, as we have yet another severed line at the front of the board. As you can see,
What the hell is that?
the line is not reaching the capacitor, and we need to fix that by running yet another wire. Another pin here can be ignored. It does not connect anywhere and it's purely for looks.
Okay.
So let's power the board and see what it does. Looks like all of the power circuits are powered and the board starts to get warm. And after verifying all the 16 data lines are intact, we boot the card and it posted.
I am the one. That's why he's the GOAT. The GOAT.
Not so fast. Remember we had a small crack? Oftentimes, small cracks like these can cause left side of the board not function properly. So I need to check each phase for a proper operation before I go into testing. And once I verify that everything looks good, I have assembled the card, and now, to answer the question, is ZOTAC really the next best 5090 money can buy? Well, if we compare it to this 4090 from MSI that suffered nearly the same damage, yet the results are very different, I say yes. I think ZOTAC survived what other 5090s wouldn't, especially Founders Edition. In any case, with the test pass, I hope this video was entertaining or educating, and if it was, you owe me a like. Goodbye.